Hey everyone, this is Yoana Nin with the Prosperous agency, brand new listing in Brightleaf in Durham. Amazing property with a gorgeous backyard and a screened-in porch. Come on and check it out. So don't you think this house was absolutely incredible, especially for the price point and the location and the schools and the yard and all the amazing features? So if you know of anyone that might consider purchasing it, or if you yourself might be interested, please share the video, contact us with any questions. Thank you so much. Take care.